Hello friends, welcome to Rirava's kitchen. Today's video is a non-food related video. I'll be showing you how to use old vessels and convert them into a beautiful decoration piece. Let's see what all we need. Old vessel, some decoupage napkin, then Fevicryl colors, acrylic colors, Modge Podge, a brush, varnish and a bowl with water. That's all we need to do this activity. So friends, here I am going to use an old brass pot. This was absolutely in a non-usable condition. So what I have done is here I have taken black acrylic paint and I have given 2 coats to this pot and I let it dry. Now we'll see how to decorate it. Let's cut the required picture. We'll remove these white portions.